Hello, Tim's RV Tips here. I'm going to show you how to get rid of those darn vents. The problem I've had with vents over the years is they're bug collectors, dirt collectors. They have put big holes in the roof and they're prone to leaking. So here's my solution to that. As an engineer, I've engineered a solution here. There's no vents on the roof, and there's a fan here that I've had, a $17 fan that solves need for ventilation at almost 3 times the ventilation power, 3 times the cubic feet per minute movement of air. So here it is. So here's an analysis of the fans. I've been a big fan of fans and have been studying their performance. Here you can see this expensive, almost $300 fan has 900 cubic feet per minute. It's a bug trap and it has weather issues pulling in weather. The new fan is 2,500 CFM, almost 3 times as much for $17. I just bought from Walmart. It's also can be quieter. This is just a regular fan. If it breaks, you replace it. Easy to clean, obviously, and it pulls in air. This is at full speed here, just air gushing from the rear of the van to the front of the van. So here, as you can see, the fan on high speed, there's some noise. At low speed, it's fairly quiet. And it just shows you that it's pushing air out of this window, and this window can be closed up to a certain point. There I have the rain guards there, so it can push out on air out on a rainy day, and it's basically a square cut into the headliner, and the headliner's insulated for winter operation, and I'll show you how that works later. But it's just a fan basically that you can lay up there. They don't have the seals done yet. Obviously the compartment's not finished. There's trim work to be done and wiring to get a 120 volt AC outlet. Here's the rain guard that protects from rain coming in. This is winter operation, so you can plug this with a insulated cover. Another advantage of this fan idea is that the fan can be taken out to the picnic table. If it's a hot day and you want to sit outside and have a breeze, now this fan serves a dual purpose. It can be unplugged from the 120 volt AC outlet. An extension cord ran and you can put the fan wherever you like it. So I'm a believer in a dual purpose for everything in the van. So from me to you, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.